Hello! Hi! Welcome to our English class. My name is Teacher Janine, and I will be your English teacher for today. Are you ready? Great job! I am ready too. Today, we will talk about is, are, and am in sentences. Is, are, and am are what we call linking verbs. Again, is, are, and am are what we call linking verbs. Linking verbs connect words in a sentence. Again, linking verbs connect words in a sentence. Let's learn more about is, are, and am. Let's begin with is. Is used with singular nouns or pronouns like he, she, and it. When we say singular, it means only one. Again, singular means only one. Can you repeat after teacher? Singular means only one. Good job! Here are some sample sentences using is. Mommy is cooking. Mommy is cooking. Repeat after me. Great! Good job! Now, who would like to read the next sentence? Yes, Alicia? Great! He is a doctor. Next sentence. Yes, Paolo, you may read the next sentence. She is dancing. Very good. The next sentence. Who would like to read the next sentence? Okay, Kendra. Great. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. Now that we've understood is, let's now learn more about are. Let's learn more about are. Are is used with plural nouns or pronouns like you and they. Again, are is used with plural nouns or pronouns like you and they. Plural means more than one. Repeat after teacher. Plural means more than one. Good job. Here are some sample sentences using are. The books are on the table. Repeat after teacher. The books are on the table. Great! The books are on the table. Next sentence. Who would like to read the next sentence? Okay, Marco, you may read the next sentence. Great! Ralph and Elvis are playing. Ralph and Elvis are playing. Who would like to read the next sentence? Okay, Regina. Great! They are studying. They are studying. Good job. Who would like to read the next sentence? Okay, Johnny. Great! You are my best friend. You are my best friend. Good job! Now, let's learn more about am. Can you say am? Good! Am is used with pronoun I. Am is used with pronoun I. Can you repeat after teacher? I. Great! Now let's take a look at the sample sentences using am. I am beautiful. Can you repeat after teacher? I am beautiful. Great. Now who would like to read the next sentence? Okay, Princess. Great. I am at the grocery. Next. Yes, Carl. Good job. I am playing guitar. Great. Now that we have understood is, are, and am, it's time for game time. Can you say game time? Great! The mechanics of the game. Number one, carefully read each sentence. Number two, complete the sentence by choosing is, or am. And lastly, have fun. Are you ready? Great! Let's now begin. Sentence number one. The boy blank flying a kite. What is the answer? Is it is or am? What is your answer, Maynard? Is. Great job! The boy is flying a kite. Next. I blank painting today. I blank painting today. What is your answer, Amber? Am. Good job! I am painting today. Next. You blank doing great. You blank doing great. What is your answer, Adrian? Are. Good job! You are doing great. And you, students, are really doing great today. Good job! Do you have any questions? None. If there is none, for your homework, I want you to read and study about past, present, and future verb tenses. In our next English class, we will talk about verb tenses. Alright? Okay, great. Thank you so much for attending our English class today, and I am looking forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.